All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. First question here. We have a lot of adding integers, and it looks like one decimal. Um, One strategy I want to show you if you didn't want to use the number line, um, looking at B right here, you can draw tiles here. So if let's just say you had your 6 negatives, all right, and you're looking at it, and you're really taking away 9 positives. So, do you see any positives there? Would be the first question you'd ask. You'd say no, because you don't have any. You have 6 negatives. So, if you wanted to bring in one, two, three, if you brought in 9 positives that you have to take away now, you also have to bring in 9 negatives. They're called bringing in zero pairs. So, you take away your 9 positives. What do you have left? Well, you have your 6 negatives on top and your 9 negatives on the bottom, and that will get you an answer of -15. Just another way, if you don't feel like using the number line, it can get a little confusing when you're taking away positive numbers with negatives. Um, for G right here, don't forget to get the common denominator, which would be probably 60 would be a good one for you to use. Again, how many 15s go into 60? Would be 4. You multiply 11 by that. How many 20s go into 63? You're going to multiply your 7 by that. The back, again, kind of like a little number problem thing. If you added 9 to your number and you ended up getting 6, what is the number that you used? Well, you definitely went down from 9 to 6, so it has to be a negative number. So if it'd have to be 9 plus -3 equals 6, so that number would be -3. Two similar questions for B. Um, not going to really go over those. Patterns here again. Look, you went down 2, down 2, down 2, so you're probably going to go up 2. Again, look at the difference between these two numbers. You should be able to fill in the difference as they're the same going up and down. Next question, if you had a triangular bed, let's say it was 7 by 6 by 9, give me the perimeter of that. So you're going to have to add all your sides. Here's the tricky part. I even screwed it up myself. You got how many? It's 875 per yard, but you found feet above. So you're going to have to convert your feet to yards. Remember that there's 3 feet equal 1 yard. You're going to get a number that's not even there, so you're going to probably have to buy a little more because you have to buy in whole numbers, they said. So make sure you multiply that by the 3. And then coming down the last one, we have our quadrant graph again. We've been kind of picking and playing at some of these. Explain how you would move to get this right here. I kind of just made a statement that, you always move left or right. You had to move left because negative numbers are to the left, positive numbers are the right. And then for our second number, positive numbers go up, negative numbers go down. Then you're going to have to tell me the coordinates of B and C. And then tell me where you would be at for this last question. So pretty easy homework again. I got answer key attached, answer key in Google Classroom. Check your work before class if so. Save you some time grading your aqua sheet. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.